The brand JBL has the heritage of serving promising audio performance, and no matter what kind of product is realized from JBL, people already know that the sound quality is going to be premium for sure. There are thousands of options for wireless speakers, but not all are worthy of your precious cash. The new JBL Flip 5 is a bag of a mix of motion, and it contains many pros and cons that I'm going to share with you today. Firstly, let's talk about the outlook. When I unboxed the speaker, its matte look has won my heart, though I know it was matte black. I didn't expect it would be this much better than the picture. The mesh material gives it a posh look, and the red JBL badge really complements this speaker's visibility. The Flip 5 has minimal controls on the device, buttons for play, pause, volume, and party boost to link to another JBL speaker, and after rotating to the back, there are buttons for power and Bluetooth pairing. Also, a USB-C port for charging and the LED strip that shows the battery level. Overall, the speaker looks quite organized and quality builds to me. Though the speaker's shape seems it will roll up and won't be fixed at any place, to me, Flip 5 has scored high for being user-friendly and portable. The mesh material all over the speaker gives it a smooth finishing and well grip, so wherever I have put the speaker, it gets fit and lets me enjoy my music. Its compact size comfortably fits in my palm, and the wrist strap slips cozily over my hand, and this style is quite trendy nowadays. So far, I have seen the gradual update of JBL in terms of physical features. They are turning from dual driver to the mono driver, such as the Flip 4 and Charge 3 has two drivers, and the updated versions Flip 5 and Charge 4 comes with the mono driver. Because of this step, I haven't felt any distortion in sound quality. Rather, JBL has maintained its promising brand value of serving uncompromised audio performance, all thanks to the newly engineered racetrack-shaped 44mm driver with an increased cone area for greater sonic amplification. Flip 5 is serving 4.2 Bluetooth, which is technically good because I live in an 1100 square feet apartment and can enjoy the Bluetooth connectivity throughout my whole apartment. But most of those close competitors of JBL are providing Bluetooth 5, and I also cannot deny that a better technology always ensures tremendous service. The Flip 5 has a larger capacity battery than the Flip 4, and as I expected, it really has a bit more stamina than the previous one. Though JBL has advertised the battery life of 12 hours, and at my testing with the volume set at 80%, which I personally prefer, got the real battery life of 8 hours and 5 hours at maximum volume. So I would say the battery life on this speaker is decent as a wireless speaker. But the impressive part of this battery, it gets fully recharged within 2.5 hours only, which is a significant improvement from Flip 4. The Flip 5 is marginally bigger and heavier than its older sibling, but the difference is hardly noticeable to me. The new Flip 5 weighs 0.54 kilograms, where the Flip 4 is 0.50 kilograms, so not really much of a difference, right? JBL is the kind of speaker that people usually pick up for its sound quality and portability, and thanks to its IPX7 rating for waterproofing, which refers it can be immersed in water up to a meter deep for a maximum of 30 minutes. So I usually take this speaker with me in the shower, and it has really inspired me to make more pool party plans. Now let's drive to my favorite part about JBL. It is nothing else but the audio performance that I truly admire about this brand. Whether it is about catching the frequency or letting you feel the wave of the music, it will always give a pleasing hearing experience to your ears. Unlike the other brands on the market, it will not be the cause of your headache because of long-time music listening. As a proof of my words, I'm going to present an audio test battle between the JBL Flip 5 and LG XBOOM Go PL5. Now put on your earphones and enjoy the battle. So what do you think? If I share my opinion, the low frequency filter and high frequency filter are better in JBL, and in LG, high frequency is higher but not pleasing in listening. So I have found the JBL Flip 5 quite better in terms of sound quality than the LG XBOOM Go PL5. I can feel every bit of the music even at the lowest frequency. No device can be flawless in all aspects. Before buying this speaker, I have gone through some reviews where most of the people could not deny JBL 5's true-to-life audio quality. On the other hand, there were some criticisms too. In most of the reviews, they have complained about the Bluetooth connectivity, and it is very obvious too. Because nowadays most of the speakers, even the earbuds that come at a very cheap price, feature Bluetooth 5.0. But here, JBL Flip series is still stuck at Bluetooth 4.2. Though I haven't faced much hassle except pairing, but it's not noticeable that much. Then the second most popular criticism about JBL 5 is it doesn't come with aux input, which hasn't affected me at all because I usually prefer using wireless devices. But I still feel JBL should have included it because there are people who want or still need to use a wired connection in some sort of situation. Here comes the most controversial part that I have seen in most of the reviews. Why has JBL cut off the feature of stereo sound? As I have mentioned above, that mono driver with a bigger battery is the new strategy of JBL's update, and after experiencing the sound quality, I'm completely satisfied with the Flip 5's promising performance. Though JBL has ditched the aux port and a built-in microphone from the Flip 5, it delivers clear sound, lashings of detail even more efficiently than the other competitors over the market, and comes at an affordable price. However, at the end of the day, to a music lover like me, all that mostly matters is how the speaker sounds, and till today, I haven't found any criticism against the audio performance of Flip 5. Buying a JBL speaker though, it costs the sacrifice of some additional features. I'm not regretting buying the JBL 5, rather, it values every single penny. If you are ready to sacrifice the hardly used features but cannot compromise in audio performance, then JBL Flip 5 is definitely your catch. So are you ready to enjoy the roller coaster of the music? Because with Flip 5, it is impossible to miss any beat or have more concern about the additional features? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.